We're gonna cook omelette or omurice. Set aside and put on the plate a slice of butter, about 10 grams. And put it in the pan, hot pan. Three pieces, large size of eggs, 3 eggs, and mix it about 1 minute in a bowl. Mix it about 1 minute. Really okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay. And we're gonna put the sauce. The sauce with cheese. The sauce with cheese. Okay. This is the second batch. This is for my daughter. The first batch is for June, my son. And it's finish.
Iyo. Oh, もうやってた。いけたかもしれない。
It's failed. It's not creamy like what I want. It's not creamy like I want. It's failed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and select the all notification bell to notify you on my next video upload. Thank you for watching. Bye.